Hello there, Year 8. Let's have a look at our next lesson. So today we're having a look at scale drawing. Now, the reason why you might do this, imagine you're going to go for a walk somewhere beautiful like this and you want to see it on a map. It's very unlikely you're going to have a piece of paper as big as this area, so you make it into a scale drawing. Now, it's really important that it's drawn properly to scale, otherwise you might get mixed up and think something looks really small on this map and in real life it's enormous. So it's very important that we use a scale. Now, a scale that we often use is labelled here as 1 to 100. So that just means that 1 centimetre on your map is 1 metre in real life. Okay. Now, this scale has been used to draw a scale diagram of this person's bedroom. Okay, so very important, perhaps if you're buying furniture and you want to see if things are going to fit or not fit, you might use a scale drawing. Okay, so in this person's room, the rug is 3 metres long and 1 metre wide. Okay, we want to know what the measurement will be on his plan, and we know on his plan 1 centimetre is 1 metre in real life. So if we've got the plan and we've got real life, so 1 centimetre on the plan to 100 centimetres in real life. This is his rug in real life. Let's draw a little sketch. Lovely rhombus in the middle, there we go. Now, in real life, it's 1 metre wide. I'm going to write this, rather than 1 metre, I'm going to write 100 centimetres because we know that's the same. Rather than 3 metres, I'm going to write 300 centimetres. Okay, so in real life, that's the rug. If I just look here then, in my plan, let's draw a little sketch. Lovely rhombus in the middle. For every 100 centimetres in real life, on the plan, it's going to be 1 centimetre. Every 300 centimetres in real life, if we divide this by 100, so we divide this by 100, it's going to be 3 centimetres on the plan. Okay. Now, we're also going to draw, if I just move this slightly higher, there we go. We're going to do a drawing of this bed. Now they've given us this time the plan drawing of the bed. So on my plan side, if I just draw this bed, there's the duvet, nice comfy pillow. On the plan, it's 2 centimetres by 1.5 centimetres. Okay. Now we know for our scale, 1 centimetre on our plan is 100 centimetres in real life. The real life is 100 times bigger than our plan. So our bed in real life, there's the duvet, there's the pillow, it's going to be 100 times bigger. So 2 lots of 100, I know it's going to be 200 centimetres. And 100 times bigger, so 1.5, 1 whole lot of 100 and a half 100 is going to be 150 centimetres. Okay, so we've got our plan scale and our real life scale. Okay, now our practice questions for this, good news for you, if we had the book in lesson, we'd measure it from the book and our answers would match what we've got on our answer sheets. However, I've printed these off and obviously this scale is slightly different to the book scale. So whereas I might measure, we've got this plan of this garden, the scale's 1 centimetre to 1 metre in real life. How long is the garden? If I measure on my A4 printout, that's going to be a different size to our textbook. So my answer from here is going to be very different to the one attached to class charts. Similarly, if you try and measure it on your screen from Caboodle, it's going to give you a different answer again. So I would, for now, leave this question, but I would give the second one a go. Okay, so we've got Rio measures his front garden. He makes a sketch of the dimensions. We're going to redraw this sketch neatly as a plan. The scale we're going to use is 1 centimetre to 1 metre. They've written it again, just using the same units. So 1 centimetre is 100 centimetres in real life. Okay, so have a think about it, pause the video, and then I'll draw how it should look in a second. Okay, let's see if we agree. So our scale is going to be 1 centimetre to 1 metre in real life. Okay, so altogether, this total length, I've got 6.5 metres, another metre. This total length here is going to be 8.5 metres. And I know this height is 4 metres. Okay, so we've got our plan. It's going to be 1 centimetre. Our real life is going to be 1 metre. Okay, I could keep my units the same and make that into 100 centimetres. Okay, now that I know my length here is 8.5 metres, so my real life is 8.5 metres. For every metre, I've got 1 centimetre. So if I've got 8.5 metres, I need to have 8.5 centimetres. Okay. Now, same again. Get a little bit clearer if that works. No, just the same. Dreadful. Right, try again. So we've got our height here, 4 metres. So in our real life, I know it's 4 metres. So on my plan, I'm going to need 4 centimetres. Okay. Now let's see, is it going to fit in this space I'd like it to? Lovely. Right. So we need 8.5 centimetres. 85 millimetres, just to make it interesting. We said 4 centimetres high. 4 centimetres high. And 8.5 going across, not bad. Okay. This flower bed is 1 metre, so from my scale it's 1 centimetre. The path is 1 metre and the rest is the lawn. So if I draw that in, I know this area here is my lawn, this is going to be my path, and this is going to be the flower bed. Okay, so hopefully yours looks a bit like mine, maybe a little bit clearer. Any questions, anything you're not sure about, don't forget at the top of each question page you've got a video linked to all these questions, and that'll go through how to do them. Okay, well that's us done for this week. Take care